Have you ever reached that moment in life where you look at your bank account and you realize something has to change? Well, that was me. No savings, no business experience, just one crazy idea. What if I build a dropshipping store from absolutely zero? And trust me, nothing went the way I expected. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how I started my dropshipping journey from scratch, the mistakes, the breakthroughs, and the moment I made my first real passive income online. Let's jump in. 1. The beginning. I knew nothing. When I first heard the word dropshipping, I didn't even know how to spell it. All I knew was that people online were making money, and I wanted to understand how. I watched hours of videos, I read blogs, and honestly, everything felt overwhelming. But I made a promise to myself. I'm going to start even if I'm clueless. 2. Finding my first product. This part changed everything. I tested dozens of random products, but nothing sold. Then one night at 3 a.m., I found a product that people were talking about on TikTok. A simple, cheap gadget, but with crazy engagement. My brain went, what if this is it? I checked competitors, I checked demand, and boom, I found a gap in the market. I knew I had to move fast. 3. Building the store with no experience. I opened my laptop, went to Shopify, and clicked Start Free Trial. That moment felt like I was creating something real, my first online business. I learned how to build a clean homepage, create a high-converting product page, add trust badges, and write copy that actually sells. And no, it wasn't perfect, but it was good enough to launch. 4. Running my first ads, the panic stage. When I launched my first Facebook ad, I was terrified. I literally stared at the screen for hours